Greetings bakers, welcome to Bree's Food and Fun, and today we'll be making a papaya smoothie. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell. Begin by peeling a papaya. I use a julienne potato peeler, but you can also use a knife. Once you're done peeling the papaya, cut it in half or quarters and remove the seeds. I use this melon baller / seed remover tool to accomplish this task, but you can also just use a spoon. You'll want to save the seeds because they have numerous health benefits. Here they are, and back to prepping the papaya. Now take your papaya portions and slice them into cubes, transfer to a bowl, and continue with the other half. You can either freeze the papaya or use it fresh. I'm going to be using fresh papaya, but I'm freezing my bananas. Best case scenario, freeze the fruits. Moving on to the milk, I'm using 1 cup of carnation milk along with 2 cups of regular milk. You can substitute all 3 cups of milk for carnation or regular milk or any type of milk that you choose. To the blender, add in your papaya, 2 bananas, 1 tablespoon of agave, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of ice, your milk, and blend. Now serve. Be sure to drink immediately because if you let it sit for too long, it turns bitter. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe.